Eufy 4G LTE Cam S330 Review, the ultimate pan and tilt security camera. Last year, pan and tilt security cameras became crucial for smart homes. We tested many, noting their excellent video resolution, two-way talk, night vision, and easy setup. A standout feature is their wide coverage of home exteriors, plus local video storage for those avoiding cloud fees. I tested Eufy's latest outdoor camera, the Eufy 4G LTE Cam S330, featuring 4K Ultra HD, solar power, and cellular/Wi-Fi connectivity, observing its performance over 3 months. Experience continuous surveillance with the upgraded solar panel and 9,400 mAh battery, providing forever power. With just 2 hours of solar charging, the camera remains operational, lasting up to a month even in low sunlight conditions. The Eufy 4G LTE Cam S330 ensures uninterrupted security with auto-switching between Wi-Fi and 4G LTE. Its 3-in-1 SIM card optimizes connectivity, providing peace of mind in rural areas or during outages. The Eufy S330 offers stunning 4K Ultra HD clarity, day or night, capturing details like license plates up to 30 feet away. At night, a 100-lumen spotlight provides vibrant footage up to 26 feet. With 344-degree pan and 70-degree tilt, its AI tracks people and vehicles, ensuring comprehensive surveillance, whether identifying intruders or monitoring wildlife. The Eufy S330's optional light and sound alarm, featuring a 100-lumen spotlight and audible alert, deters intruders effectively. Its durable design withstands temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit and resists rain, dust, and snow, ensuring year-round security.
Go to GearBrain for more information.